Hello everyone, my name is Ernie. In this video, I'm going to explain why your satellite image appear completely black when you open it in ArcMap or other GIS software. This is a common issue, especially when you exporting data from Google engines and want to show it in ArcMaps. Okay, let's take a closer look at what causes this and how to fix it. Okay, first, I want to say that before I have already shared the tutorial how to download data from Lancet, especially from Lancet 8 and Lancet 5. You can find in my video, previous video. And why it's happened? It's because of our value, pixel value, it's very small or not compatible with our map's default display scale. So it's not compatible with our map's scale or default display scale. So let's check it. So it's not about the code or the code is wrong, but the code is correctly right, but the pixel value it's very small. Why it's very small? Because we have already do the or apply the scale factors here with multiply with 0.0000275 and add it with minus zero point 0.2. So the scale value or the value as our value, it comes very small. We can check here, get 1 point here, for example. So here you can see the value for surface reflectance bands. It's very low. So when you apply it in the RMap, it become or it appear completely black. And why here is clear? Because when you do the visualization, it's already you make it min is 0 and max it's zero point 0.3. So the scale is you can see it's clearly because of this scale. But in our map it's not like that. The scale is uh, not in zero point 0.3. So so why it's completely black because of that. And how to fix it? Okay, how to fix it? Important questions. Go to your art maps and go to the properties. Okay, here you can make it 0. For example, you want to make it false colors composite. Okay, and make the type with standard deviation or min max value. For example, here we use standard deviations. Okay, need a little times. And apply it so your image it will become or it will showing, or you can change it with min max value. So it will become like this. So as you wish which one you want, but I like to use standard deviation here. So the image it's appear again. So just do it and you can get your image and do, for example, you want to do the to make a LUSC maps, you can do the classification here. So this is for today, my tutorial how to fix your black image. I hope this tutorial can help you and see you in the next video.